Hello viewers. Welcome to Learnpros channel. We are back with another story for you. The Camel and the Baby. One day, a baby camel was chatting with her mother. She asked, "Mother, why do we have humps, round feet, and long eyelashes?" Drawing a deep breath, the mother explained, "Our humps store water. This helps us survive long journeys in a desert where water is scarce. Our round feet allow us to walk comfortably on sand. And, our long eyelashes protect our eyes from dust and sand, especially during sandstorms." The baby camel remained silent for some time and then asked, "Mother, why do we stay in a zoo even when we are blessed with so many qualities?" Moral of the story. Your skills and strengths are of no use if you are not in the right place. Thanks for listening. If you want to speak English fluently, you need to practice repeatedly, every day. So use our method to learn English through stories and improve your speaking skills fast. Don't forget to click on subscribe button.